to Stock Charts Trading. Today we are on Biopharm Catalyst. It's a website that is free, and they have this Catalyst calendar. And when you click on this Catalyst calendar, it has the FDA calendar, and it also has the phases of drugs calendar. Also, if you wanted to know, here's the biotech IPO calendar. We have ticker ALRN, and it is only 83 cents, and it's just in the beginning stages of phase one. It's actually at a half of a stage. So again, for this thing to come to market is going to take some time. So we're in really early at looking at the stock. But my thing is, if the company is good, if it has a high ranking right now, then it should come out to market very strong. So let's take a look at the ranking. So here we are on Google Finance, and you can see that Google Finance says that this thing short term is going to go up. Midterm is going to go up, and long term is going to go up. Recommendation rating is at 1.4, which means it is a strong buy. Current price is 83 cents, so if it goes to the analyst target of $4.33, that would be a 440% profit. As you can see, we have a downtrend, and then we started to make this wedging pattern, which had these lower lows in here, which also had these lower highs in here, pinching this thing together. And then we had this breakout right here, right? We had a higher low, but then we had a breakout of a higher high. So we should be expecting a higher low here, which gives us confirmation that we should be expecting that this thing should go into an uptrend. So like we said earlier, if you buy right now at 83 cents, the analyst target gives you a 440% profit. I kind of like it a little bit higher. If you can see that we made these range boxes right here off this support level from these lows up to these highs. And so we have a $5. I like this area, just gives you a little bit more profit of 525%. Then if you were to take it up to the range box again, you just duplicate that up and it gives you a $10 price range. And in that $10 price range, it would give you an 1100% profit. If you then use the highest of these highs, this is an IPO, and so you see that this is the highest of the highs, and this is sometimes where we'll hold price all the way up into these highs. Why? Because we know price likes to go back to its highs, and so if you hold it to $15, that would be closer to a 1700% profit. Not bad. Put in $100, make $1,700. That's the way to trade. As I was scrolling through, I saw SLRX ticker. It is $1.18. It is just now in phase one. And as you can see, there's 7 little phases here. So for this thing to come to market is going to be a long time. But I wanted to see, is this a good company to invest in? I went over to Yahoo Finance. I typed in SLRX, and I saw that for the short term all the way over to the long term, next year, they're planning on this thing being bullish. Their recommended buy rating is at 1, which means a very strong buy. Right now, the current price is $1.18, and the analysts are saying the average price should go up to $6.40. Let's take a look at the charts. As you can see, we had resistance right here. It fell off, and we've had a lower high, another lower high, another lower high, a lower low, and a lower low, which means downtrend. But wait, from this low over to this higher low, that means we have a change of trend. And sure enough, we have now a higher high and a higher high followed with some higher lows. And that's the exact confirmation I need to see to buy this as an entry point so that I can plan on it going up to the targets. So last time this stock had a downtrend, it came into this very low here. It came in, it made a low, and then it made a higher high. Once it did that, what happened is it changed and it made this higher low, which then followed by a higher high, which then came with a higher low, which then came with an equal high, higher low again, followed by a higher high, which from these lows up to these highs made a 240% profit. So if you buy now off these higher highs, higher lows, you would be at $1.18. That analyst price is $6.40. That gives you a 440% profit on your money. I kind of like whole numbers. And so if you were to sell at this support and resistance level, see, we have resistance here, we have support, we have more support. So I like that $5 range, or you got a $10 range target, whole number again, sell another third here off of this resistance level. And then we have this $20 range up top here, which is also going to act as a resistance level. That would be a 1,600% profit. Until next time.